Oh no, I'm gonna get hit by a car. Yo, what's up guys? Now we're going to go hiking at this fall. Sorry for the picture quality coming in. I had to shift it to 60 frames per second, which it makes it 1080, and 1080 is not a good picture quality. And yeah, sorry for this like weird camera angle. It's kind of weird vlogging on the Canon SX740. Oh no, I'm gonna get hit by a car. Say it's supposed to be 2 miles to the waterfall. Very long. Dude, 2 miles. Too long. Alright, I switched to the Samsung phone now because the Canon was dead, so let's hope it works. And it says due to times of high. Okay, so I guess we can go. Ow, my legs. I did hurt my legs yesterday when I was hiking up the to Klingsman Dome yesterday, so they are hurting today. So let's hope I make it up to the top. Give me a chance to make it right. All right, we're getting to the top. 1 more mile left, so we're going to the top. I don't think we're going to stop. Just let us keep on with the black guys. That's a cool rockwork right there. We didn't make it to the top. It's 2 miles just to get to the top, and I couldn't make it, so sorry for that. But needless to say, we're gonna go head back. I'm beyond tired.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not.
It's very nice. Ooh, look, creek. Another one of these stops is this old historic house. Don't really know what this house is. Just looks like a really old house. So here it is. So I guess you just go and let's go inside this little hut right here. Okay, well, we're in here. There's the fire pit. See if I get a wider angle lens. So guys, right now we are here at this historic house, I think. I don't know. It's pretty cool, but really small. The doors are really small. I didn't film any footage inside the house. Actually, I did, but it's going to come in the virtual tour, which may be out in a few months if I can't get any more content shot. So expect that coming out in a few months. This virtual tour of the whole Roaring Fork Drive thing. That should be coming out in a few months. Down here at the water with the GoPro. Now the audio is not exactly the best, but yeah, nice shots of the water up over there.
I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I could be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. Hope
you guys enjoyed some of that waterfall footage, and yeah, we're gonna go back to where we started. So let's make that montage now.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. So
Alright guys, we're gonna try going on the zip line here. So who knows well how that. I'm not taking the GoPro on because I don't know about filming on rides. So but I'll try to have one of my friends on the trip. record me. So let's hope it goes. Who knows? Yo, what's up, guys? So we can't go on the zipline today. They're all sold out, but we're doing it tomorrow at 12 o'clock. So we're gonna see you then. But actually, right now, we're probably doing some mini golf. So we're gonna get some B-roll because I played mini golf yesterday. The golf course you saw on the first day's video, it's kind of boring, but take you to there and do some B-roll at the golf course and maybe some little play-alongs. In 3, I said do like in 3, 2, and 1. Let's try to do that.
I don't need a hit to believe that I'm living. You can lock me up if my tongue keeps slipping. I'ma keep spitting up rhymes I'm digging, and you can be my fame. Don't need a fast car to imagine I'm tripping. You can light it up, girl, I ain't the guy judging. And baby, that's on me, I don't need a boost. This is every part of me and everything I do. If it's the money part you're digging me, I will take you to a place downtown. But if you don't like all the bling you see, I'll show you my.
Hey, that episode's for this Gallenberg video. Stay tuned for the next episode as it's going to be a blast.